is now my singular pleasure to release the 2022 primary living examination results to the public, and I want to thank you for listening to me. As you have already seen, here are the results. Thank you, and God bless you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.